Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, y'all. And I don't know if this is a good view right here, but I'm about to get ready to head to the store right quick. And head to the store to get some wash powder and blah, 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 things like that, y'all know. But today's Wednesday, y'all, and I just feel like recording today. The kids about to get out of school. It's like 2:30. The oldest ones, already finna get out of school. They should be walking on down the road. But yeah, they should be out. But yeah, I'm about to get ready and head to the store. That's what's finna go on. Currently just getting out the shower and yeah, that's what's going on. Just going getting out the shower and guess I'm about to just head out for a few seconds. That's what's going on. I'm sorry to be drinking this on camera like this, but I need a cup. But yeah, I'm about to head to the store right quick. Yeah, guess y'all can come with me. This is finna go on, but yeah, y'all know the vibe. Y'all new, subscribe to my channel. Y'all know the vibe, 'cause it's lit over here at all times. Y'all know the vibe. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to get ready to head to the store, and I'll see y'all there. So yeah, I'm heading outside. It feel good out here, y'all. Very good. I don't know if I can see y'all or y'all can see me. It is very cold. Got the grill on today, you feel me? Y'all see the vibes, y'all see the vibes. You got them ribs on the thing, you feel me? Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see the vibes, y'all see the vibes. It feel good out here. It feels so good. It feels so good out here. I need to prop y'all up on something. Because it feels very good outside today. It's sure been in there cold as ever. Yeah. We got the grill on today, so y'all see what's going on this Wednesday, you know. We got the grill popping on a Wednesday. But yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, I'm about to head to the store. And yeah, I'll catch y'all there. They walk everywhere.
Motherfuckers don't turn up in here.
Pretty out here. Sun is beaming. Get my seatbelt on. So we pulling up, y'all. So y'all see y'all in the store. So we in the store, y'all. Got some water bottles. Don't want to be out outside. Put it on the basket. Water bottles. I love we need something else. I'm looking for something to drink. Yeah, girl. It's not anything else. I didn't anything I do. So I'm back, y'all. And yeah, I'm back from the store. I showed y'all the little grocery haul that I got there. Getting ins and outs, y'all know the vibes. You want to say you're getting certain stuff and you get out there, come out of there with more stuff. But yeah, the kids out of school and everything. I'm just sitting down there munching on some cookies. The look chips. That's what they look like.
She didn't even say good, say go, y'all. Okay. My bad.
She's gonna brush my leg down.
Hey, y'all. I'm trying to try for them. I'm trying to try for them.
You wanna go back?
I'm trying to try to cook for them.
This look good.
Look good, y'all.
You
got an L.
You trying to talk to your homework?
Yeah. That's what's going on. So I'm just basically just sitting down right now. I'm just sitting down with the vibes on this Wednesday. The barbecue and cooking and stuff going on. Still cooking and stuff. My auntie doing something. So yeah, she's still out there cooking and yeah. I just came here to sit down for a few minutes. And I'm about to get back up. I'm gonna show you how to good eating. Can't wait till everything is done. Because I'm hungry.
Why is it on my tablet?
Yeah.
Sorry.
But yeah, guys, I'm gonna chill out for a minute. I'm gonna get back on whatever next I'm about to do. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Bye, y'all.
Yeah, and it is the next day, but actually today is Friday. I didn't record much yesterday because I was all over the place doing other stuff, making Facebook reels, making TikToks, doing Instagram. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all follow me on those social medias as well. And yeah, that's what's been going on. Just came on here to introduce the video today. I haven't been doing much. I'm kind of just getting out the shower, so I'm just fixing my little edges up. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see it. And basically that's all that's going on now. Yep, on this Friday. I hope y'all is having a very blessed day. But I've been just, trying to get my views and things up. And things like that. For anyone who looking to feel like they're not making enough views or not enough subs, my advice is to you to keep going. You got this. It's God's way or no way. So yeah. God rules to our nation. So He gonna have what's fit for you on the right time and the right place. So yeah, just keep going, y'all. But yeah, I'm just so I've been making videos and things like that on my other social media platform, which is Instagram, TikTok, and like I said, guys, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to me over there as well and watch my videos over there as well. So yeah, I'm just fixing these little edges back. That's what's going on right now. Hey y'all. We just chilling right now. We been up. I listen to cereals. I think it's like almost 1 o'clock. I think it's noon or 1 o'clock. I know it's afternoon, but yeah, we just sitting here for now, munching on some lemon cookies. This is going on. Munching on some lemon cookies. We about to do some potato. No, we about to make some sweet potatoes in a few minutes. But,
This was going on.
this is going on. Yeah.
But before we get into this video, I always say this, but make sure I like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell on our channel.
Period. And then, y'all, we just about to, I'm still just chilling for a few minutes, but in a few minutes I'm gonna make the sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna do that with y'all. So yeah, guess it's gonna go on, and I'm gonna get everything together, and this one we're gonna come back with y'all when we're doing something, you know, but hopefully we're going on.
We ain't got nothing else to do.
Yeah, we bored right now, but this is going on, you know, when we get through. Yeah, I know it's always me and Trinity in the video, but they never the rest of it. But you know. Anywho, ain't that right, Mama? But yeah. We just making on some lemon cookies right now. And like I said, once we get to the kitchen, we'll see y'all guys in there. Hey y'all, so we back and we about to get ready to start on the sweet potatoes. I got it out here. We got brown sugar. We got the cinnamon, regular sugar.
And the oil.
And butter. No oil. Banana strap and regular sugar. So yeah, we about to get ready to get started. So yeah.
Make some sweet potato.
Let's jump right on it too.
Before we do this video, but like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Period. Bye.
So now first we about to cook the sweet potatoes. Remove it out just like that. So we got like 3 sweet potatoes that we got to cook now. Okay, I'm about to cut it. Give me that other knife, Trinity. You give me the other knife. This one is not gonna do. Hold up now. So I got a better knife. I don't know what's going on with that knife.
Give it to me.
We just got to cut them right quick. Yeah. That's what's going on. Trying to see if this will get a knife this way, y'all. Just kind of making it tough. Just making it a little tough. Let's see if this is almost through cutting the last one up. And I'm about to get ready to wash them off and everything and put them on the stove. That's what's going on. I'm just focused right now. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. You know, just felt like cooking some today. You know, so used to my mom always cooking them. You know, but she did tell me before she, you know, I used to always watching in the cooking with her, watching, going to get stuff at the stores with stuff like this. So, yeah, so I decided I want to give me some sweet potatoes today on this Sunday, and this was going on. So, yeah. Okay. So, I cut the last one up. Everything is good, y'all can see. So, I'm about to slice them up. That's it. So yeah, let's wait till this get done, and I'm about to show y'all what it's looking like. And yeah, let this cook, and this was one. So I'm done now, y'all. I'm just waiting until it get done and cook. We're about to get this trash up and everything. All this stuff. We just got to wait on it till it gets cooked, till it finish, and that's what's going on. And I'm about to wait till it's done for after that 15, 20 minutes. I come back on and show y'all what it's looking like. And yeah, I'll see y'all once it's almost done. They are done, y'all. Just these potatoes. Let's see, yeah. I'll give you some cheese and spaghettis to go with them. Yeah, see,
y'all know the vibes.
Trinity want to be the first one to taste them, y'all. She want to taste it. Give me your honest review. What they tasting like?
They good.
She said they good, child. I think I did a good job.
They exactly good.
9 out of 10. Which one is it?
10 out of 10.
Oh, period.
Bye.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. New day, new blessings. Today is Monday, and I feel like vlogging today. And it's just be a day in my life, though. But yeah, I'm just about to go and wash dishes and things like that. And finna cook me, I'm about to cook me something to eat. That's what I'm about to do. Yep, I'm about to cook me something to eat. Probably finna cook me a little egg sandwich with me with me an egg sandwich with toast. and put a little cheese on it, and it's gonna be my egg sandwich. I might make me some coffee, I don't know. But yeah, this just be a daily vlog. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm about to do and things like that. But yeah, y'all gonna spend the day with me. You know, I don't know what's gonna go on for today, but yeah, I know the vibes. But yeah, if you're new, make sure y'all subscribe. And yeah, this what's going on. And I'm about to get ready to go wash the dishes. And like I said, y'all just meet me in the kitchen. I need a spoon. Come on. I'm done now. I'm making some egg sandwich. You can't make an egg sandwich without the toast. That's how eggs. You can't make no plain egg sandwich. You gotta make an egg sandwich. You gotta make an egg sandwich that got a little flavor to it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do something like that. I'm gonna got a little cheese. Yeah, big money. I'm gonna toast me some bread. That's how you do it. Yeah. Toasted bread. Toasted bread. I'm gonna toasted bread. I'm gonna toasted bread. We got the time. We had the time. And the cool. This one is finna hit the bone. I put some cheese on. This is how you make an egg sandwich with the toast. Yes, yeah. I'm back. I'm just getting out the shower, y'all. It's been hours since I talked to y'all, but I'm basically kids out of school, as y'all can see now. So you can see who in the camera.
Trinity.
Why you
Trinity
here?
is in the camera.
Why is you here?
It's always Trinity. But yeah, we got to make some tacos.
No, we're not.
Tacos for a minute.
Yes, we
We're
is.
supposed to be making macaroni cheese and pork chops later on, so it's just something for now. We just in the kitchen and we just finna cook some. So, But yeah, this how my Monday is going. I don't know how y'all Monday is going, but yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah. So, yeah.
Libby, you ugly.
Trinity in the camera. Why is she in the camera like that? Like, that's Trinity in the camera. She want to talk to the people for me. Then you don't even camera for me. Hey, hey, to the camera. Okay.
Hey.
Look at the camera. Oh, look at me. Me too.
Let me see it. Move.
My older daughter, she don't want to get in the camera.
She like that. Three, Mom.
Trinity always. Don't let you get it, girl. She's so crazy.
Trinity, you not gonna get it.
She already started cooking tacos. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. This what's going on, y'all. We're cooking tacos. We already got the brown beef on.
Miss
What
Kitty!
it do? What it do?
You nasty.
Trinity crazy.
Girl.
Trinity always doing something.
Always talking shit. She want her one of them little
Cool,
baby
yeah.
outfits. She like them type of outfits. You finna get it? I'm finna get these right here. She want a little
Yeah,
baby.
this
She
is my
gonna
money
put up on
going,
you
yeah.
and sheet off. But she trying to see you have some media and children because she got her titties on. So she
Oh, like a big
smile.
top. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think I do. Yeah.
I'm making
So
tacos.
I'm finna give you
Making
six.
some tacos on this Monday. You know, it's really Tuesday, you know. But that's what's going on.
Look,
We chilling,
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Big stand.
Yeah. What you talking about? Huh?
Yeah, that's what's going on.
You sure send me her size too
Let me
late.
show y'all my tacos once they're done.
But when I get back here,
I showed anything you get in my baby side. I ain't going to get you.
I might have a knife there.
See y'all in the thing. The illest said, I want some tacos. I want some tacos. I want some tacos. I want some tacos. Let's get some tacos. So yeah, I'm just sitting here eating me some tacos. Oh. These are good. I'm right back to the burn part. Whatever my daughter was doing.
not me.
Now, to be honest, they so thin, them little soft wraps, and they cook so fast. So yeah, what's been going on? I'm about to finish my tacos, and I just left from the store. Give me out of Arizona. I like to eat little canned drinks. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to finish this. We about to finish our food. And we'll get back up with y'all in a few. Good morning, y'all. Today the next day, y'all. I don't know where I left off here yesterday, but I'm currently going to work on my first day of work. And at my new job, I'm on break right now, like 15 minutes. So I'm about to really head back in the food. But I just come to let y'all know I'm still at work and my new job. I'm loving it. Everything is great. It's going well. So I'll probably catch y'all back on my hour break, which is at 12 o'clock. Everything is going great. Happy Tuesday to everyone. And yeah, I hope everyone's having a really good day. And yeah, I'll check back with y'all. See you back, y'all. About to get ready and go off in a minute. Y'all can see. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. First day of my new job. And yeah, I must say this is a blessing. Yeah, I'm never really get off work though, you know, and yeah. That's what's up. I'm gonna see y'all on my next break. Hey. Next day. All right. I'm gonna catch y'all. Well, next time. Off work, y'all. Hope everyone having a blessed day. I am finally off work. And yeah, y'all know what's going on. I'll see you guys.
Y'all, welcome back to our channel.
Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Today the next day, y'all, and I am on my way heading to her little party at her school right now. And that's where we're on our way heading to now.
We already got our clothes on.
So yeah, we're about to head there, and yeah, I'ma
get with y'all when we get to
once we get in there. Yes, we're gonna get with y'all once I get in there.
See, look at all the cars there.
That's what's going on.
Look at all the cars.
Yeah, I'ma see y'all once I get inside the school. So yeah.
Mom, we're going to see all over there.
Come on, big money. She don't feel like walking back to us.
Go get us a bread. Shut the hell up. I ain't gonna tell you no more. What?
Chilling on this Friday, taking my hair
He's talking about his
down.
phone.
He's
He's talking about baby phone. Then he's trying to unlock for him. Baby gotta go pay for it.
What is it? The 1 hour?
Hey y'all, happy Friday. I am Joxy. I'm in the car, my hood over my head, cause my hair look hot mess. I'm taking my hair down. Me and the kids just on our way heading to Family Dollar store. This what's going on right now. And it is raining so hard, y'all. I think it's been raining all day. So I know for a fact it was 100% of rain today. But yeah, it's been raining all day. But yeah, we just on our way heading to the... Hey y'all, I'm back in the car. I'm currently stuck outside of Dollar Tree. I'm stuck outside, y'all. And they want to run around in the rain. They gotta be crazy. Hold up, y'all. They outside of the rain. Look at this. Standing out there in the rain. It's raining. I'm out here enjoying myself in the rain. Drinking my frappe, y'all.
Tay said go ready to catch the security car. It's up there. Oh no. No, it's not up there. It's right by us. Oh no. You made it. I'm cold. Now shut the door.
We need to boost up. I need a booster. He's riding so hard. So hard up here, y'all. I'm caught in the rain. Car not cranking up. This is BS. Yeah, y'all. Just finally came back. I finally made it back after we got stuck. After we left from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I found we got stuck out there. It was raining so hard, y'all. It was raining so hard. We got stuck out there in the rain. But I'm finally back. Don't mind my hair. I'm taking these braids down, y'all. So yeah, don't mind it, don't mind it. Sorry for coming on camera like that, but anywho, I'm about to show y'all what I got and everything. I went to Dollar Tree and I went to the beauty supply. And yeah, I picked up a few items that I needed. And yeah, I'm about to show y'all a few items that I got. And yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, I got some body wash that I seen. I got that. It's for girls. It's something like that. I needed some mousse, so I grabbed a little mousse.